Shows like a model home West/today's decor. Stunning 1.17 acres. Completely remodeled home from head to toe. Large main level master suite on the main with private master bath and spa shower and generous master closet. 3-car garage. Wonderful home features and updated flooring advantage of the beautiful views from almost every room. Private study/office. Fireside great room opens out to covered back veranda. Especially large kitchen features large breakfast bar, pantry, top-of-the-line appliances, and laundry room. Large dining area with nicely appointed.Upper level includes 3 very spacious bedroom suites.Upper level includes 3 very spacious bedroom suites. Each with their own private bathroom and walk-in closet. Terrace level is open and bright and features a billiard room area, family room which opens to covered patio, wine room, full bar with appliances, exercise room, full bedroom master suite and full bathroom suite. Additional unfinished storage space is also available. Large yard flows to front/back. Very private setting. Large 3-car garage. Nestled at the end of a private lane,